in the parking spot, Maxima. Yep, Camry, don't yield. No. Exit dive. Hello, fuck. Jesus. Asshole. Oh, Christ's sake. You are a jerk face. What the fuck is it? Jesus Christ. Get off my ass, douche. Thank you. Nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart. Oh, what are you gonna do, douchebag? Yeah. Asshole. Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop sign. Hi, I'm not coming. Don't mind me. Not gonna stop, are ya? No. That was a little close. You just rip that stupid thing off, dude. Oh, exit dive too. Nice. That parachute will slow you down. Don't even think of it. You an asshole. Promises never made, or is it just a sweet surprise? Make me high, make me low. Make it stop, but come on, let the damn thing go. Stay in your lane, pay attention. Dynamic distribution. Gonna do? Are we gonna go on one by one? Yay! High, make me low. Make it stop, but come on, let the damn thing go. I am hanging on your heart. Make me low, fall apart. Come on, make me. Wake up, Grandpa. Whoa. Oh, great. These assholes. Oh, this asshole anyway. 3JD154. Thought I'd throw it out there for no reason. In case I have to alert the cops or something. And there we go! Yeah! Stay in your lane, douchebag. Why is that mother? Christ. Alright. He's not going to go over the Tobin, more than likely. He'll force his way out and up at the ramp. Yep, this one did. And let's see. Yep, called it. Christ's sake, they're all out today. Yep. Are you gonna stop? Stop again. Halfway on the intersection. Yep, Volvo goes straight from the left turn lane. I don't think he stopped. I don't think that was a stop. I don't think it was a stop. Uh-oh, Mercedes. He stopped, what do you know? And that's a roll. And this is a stop. There's that. Well, bummer dude, it's a stop sign, you know? Fuck you. It's my ass. Rolled it. Rolled it. You know, faster. Thank you. Roll it back there. Get off my tail, lady. Thank you. Someone in front of me. Would you back off? Yeah. Asshole. Yeah, exit dive. And that's a Subaru exit dive at the very, very last second. You can back the fuck off, mister. Dude, I'm stuck behind the camera. What the fuck do you want from me? Go! Moron! Dirtbag! One VRV 94. kind of close, yeah. That was a red light. Oh my, what the fuck? Oh, pot, 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 pot. Dude, seriously, get off the road. Stop for the stop sign. Stop before you turn. Little close ass face. Because Toyota. BMW gonna dive out? No. Could you be any closer? These turn signals. Did you make up your mind? Jesus. Asshole. No, you're gonna shoot to the left lane again. What do you know? Shocked, shocked, shocked. Direct to the left lane Jeep. Good, cut him off, good, cut him off, cut him off, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm stupid, come on, come on, come on, come on, you had forever to go over. Exit dive maybe? Ah, okay, sense. Dumbass dive. Cut through. Are we cutting through illegally? Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. It's not nice. Did he roll the stop? He just rolled the stop. Roll the red. Whatever, return on red. You roll it, 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 roll it.